Hi, I'm Nick Wardle from the Body Transformation Centre in Loughborough. We are a specialist in working with busy people to transform their bodies and their lives. And we get you fantastic results in less than 2 to 3 hours a week. Okay. Now, a lot of people ask what we actually do. We offer mainly small group training now. We're finding it becoming more and more popular with us because people tend to build a community, they make friends, and they absolutely love working with other people. So it makes it more of an enjoyment, there's more of an enjoyment factor there for people. We also offer a team training at our studio, up to 12 people. It's not a boot camp. We are not a boot camp. We are definitely not a gym. We are a personalised nutrition and personal training studio where we focus on delivering great results for all our clients, no matter where their starting point is, and we can help you get into great shape and change your life, because ultimately most people are after a long-term change, and we know that it takes a while to do this, and that's why we always say a transformation is a marathon and not a sprint. So just thought I'd give you a quick show around so you can see, and a bit of an intro to what we do. And come and give us a shout. If you want to talk to us about anything we offer, give us a shout or take a look at our website, and you'll see a little bit more about us. Take care.